Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you know me, I'm always baking and cooking. I make my famous lasagnas and all these other things, and I always end up taking them out of the oven and just sticking them on the counter. But I wanted something a little nicer, and I'm tired of using some of these little trivets and whatnot. I do have some, but I thought it would be kind of fun to be able to put something on something that'll actually cool it a little better. And so this here is a grill, what is it, a grill mesh. So I'm guessing you could probably even cook on it too. But I got this to use as kind of a cooling rack. And I have some cooling racks that I just reviewed. So if you look at my other videos, you'll probably see those ones too. But this one here is for some bigger pans and whatnot. That's what I got it for. But I got it from the same company. I went Lanejoy shopping, got a few different things from Lanejoy. So we're gonna see what we can see in this one here. So we're gonna open this up and I'll kind of open it up so you can see. I thought it was two. Oh, it is two. Okay, so there's one and two racks in here. And like all the other Lanejoy stuff, there's no instructions because you don't need instructions because it's just simple to use. So check out this rack. So we're gonna check out these racks. This is how durable they look. And it looks pretty nice. It's very solid metal on here. These things aren't going anywhere. They look pretty rust resistant. I'm guessing I could even stick this in the dishwasher and it's gonna come out okay. But it'll be nice. I can put it on the counter and have it hold stuff, or I could even use it like for shelving or something. Could even barbecue on this sucker here. It's nice. So these are pretty nice, heavy duty grill racks that these are. I guess the grill rack, I guess you could use it for grilling. And you could stick it in the oven or whatever. I really like these. These are kind of nice. May even, be able to put one, cover it with a tin foil and stuff like that, and use it for a tray to bring stuff out because it's nice and solid and a good size. Be good for serving stuff. So this is really nice. A nice little grill rack. Let me see if it says anything else on the box that I would need to tell you guys about it. I don't think so. I mean, I got it for a certain reason, which is probably similar to what it is. It's food grade 304 steel. It doesn't rust and it's easy to clean. It's got nice rounded corners, of course. So, and the grid is flat, so it makes it so you can evenly heat things on it. Yeah, that's one good thing about it too, is some of the racks you get and it's got the like the bumps going up on this side, and so you can't slide things on and off. I guess if you put it upside down, you could put things in there that wouldn't slide around if you're cooking some hot dogs or something over a fire. This would be good to bring to a campground. Maybe I will bring one of these to a campground and be able to stick it on the fire and cook stuff. Man, there's all sorts of different options with this. It's just look great, but it's got all these different things, which is just weird. Okay, but I like it, so look at how big that is too. It's probably 18 inches wide by 12, 14 inches that way. So definitely good. So I like it, so thumbs up from me. Be sure to follow the link in my description and you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna be back with some other reviews soon. Definitely a thumbs up.